Hey guys! Welcome to the PyForAll channel. In this videos we are going to test the function that takes the data from the selected row in the table, and we are also going to make some modifications to the script. Let's cut the variable that instantiates the SAP GUI, and put it inside our constructor method in the main.py file. In the login method we call the function that logs into the SAP system. Now we access the sap.py file, and in the search_clients method we insert the method that makes the connection with the open SAP. With the SAP system open, let's do a test run. First, we search for the data. To test, let's change data in the table in our system and click the Change button. This function prints the data of the selected row. This result will be used to make the change in the SAP system. In this video we made some improvements to the script and tested the function that takes data from table. In the next video we will use this data to make the change in the SAP system. See you! Thanks for watching.